after his name, my lord. Actually, he is neither Kaji nor Sub Kaji, my lord. He is a Maulana. He is, my lord, teaching in a private institution, my lord. There. Nothing, no, my lord, nothing at all. Moreover, this girl belongs to another village also. He does not know even them, my lord. Only
no, this child marriage, which is the law? What is the law involved here? Which under which law is it offense?
Prohibition of Child Marriage Act, my lord. 9, 10 in the event of state.
Is it a cognizable offense?
Cognizable non-bailable 2 years punishment, my lord. But here POCSO has been
Cognizable non-bailable.
Cognizable non-bailable. Which section?
2 years marriage or lossable
9,
fine.
10.
9 year lossable fine. 9 punishment, whoever being a male child about so and so, extend to 2 years fine.
No, but the allegation against petitioner has he married?
No.
Then section 9 relates to the person who marries a child. Then why have you arrested him?
Only if the 10, my lord, maybe because they whoever performs, conducts, directs, or abates any child.
Which is the section? Which is the relevant section?
In fact, if anybody other than child, my lord, other than that, it may be section 10. 10 or 11 it may come by. Other than those concerned.
11
was. 11 is punishment for promoting, permitting, solemnization.
11, section 11.
So nothing is there against him, Mario was kindness. Yeah, what they have written in the FIR, sorry, forwarding report, what red-handed murder, what does it mean? He was murdered, FIR was second. On third night, he was taken from his home, dead of night, from his home, he was taken. And then he was kept the whole night, then on fourth, he was forwarded murder. In the forwarding report stated, what red-handed murder. Purely murder without applying simple because of this murder, this crackdown started murder. The people, and moreover, the child as well as family members not been even arrested till to the mind. And marriage also, my lord, as per section 2, my lord, also, my lord. Marriage can be declared to be void only by a court. And otherwise is voidable, my lord. Anyway, but I am not on that matter. My role, my nothing is there. That is why I am saying. For 10 days, my lord.
Mr. Das, trial is another matter. Charge is framed. But what do you want to get by custodial interrogation of these people? What is that? Either he has abated or he has not. Either it's a case of child marriage or it is not. For that, is it necessary to have custodial interrogation? What is the idea behind that?
Right now, it is difficult to say. I do not know what is there in the case diary. But from the ground of evidence, it says the accused person caught red-handed. I do not know what kind of red-handed. Maybe he was performing the marriage. No. At that time itself, he was arrested. That I do not know.
2021, my marriage year lossable fine FIR page 11. During the year 2021, marriage took place as per FIR. How caught red-handed?
Yes, what do you have to say? We'll release him on bail. No CD. These are not matters for CD. Yes, heard Mr. Yes. Heard Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. A. Ahmed, Learned Counsel appearing for the applicant. Also heard Mr. D. Das, Learned APP Assam, appearing for the state. Full stop. The applicant herein was arrested on, what is the date of arrest? 4/2/2023.
Yes,
in connection with Abhayapuri PS case number 39/2023, registered under sections 9, 10, 11 of the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006, read with section 6/17 of the POCSO Act, 2012. And since then he is in custody. By filing this application under section 439 of the CRPC, the applicant is praying for an order of his release on bail, full stop. By referring to the FIR, Mr. Chaudhary, FIR dated 4/2/2023. 2/2023, Mr. Chaudhary Lalit, Senior Counsel for the applicant, submits that as per the FIR, the marriage took place in the year 2021, and it has been mentioned that the applicant was caught red-handed. However, none of the family members of the alleged victim girl has been arrested, nor any case is pending against them. Despite the same, the applicant, who is merely a what is it, Maulana?
He is a Maulana in a madrasa.
Maulana in a madrasa, and having nothing to do with
neither
regard
Qazi
to
nor sub-Qazi.
Maulana in a madrasa and not a Qazi or a sub-Qazi has been arrested on a completely baseless allegation. Full stop. Mr. Das submits that Das submits that he may be granted some time to produce the CD, and has objected to the bail prayer made in this application. Full stop. After going through the materials and record, it appears that the basic allegation brought against the applicant is one under Section 11 of the Act of 2006. Full stop. Under the said provision, any person, including the parents or guardian of a minor, who is found to have promote or permit or negligently fails to prevent child marriage from being conducted would be liable to be punished for a maximum period of 2 years, and also to pay fine, which may extend up to 1 lakh. Full stop. There is nothing in the Ejahar which implicates the applicant directly. Full stop. If it is a fact that the victim got married, if it is a fact that the marriage took place with a 17-year-old girl on a date disclosed in the Ejahar, then the persons responsible for the same may be punishable under the provisions of the Act of 2006. First of, however, for that, no custodial detention would be necessary, since the facts about the marriage are not only in the public domain, but also apparently known to the informant as well. Full stop. Under the circumstances, I do not deem it to be a fit case to grant more time to the state to produce the CD. Full stop. This bail application is therefore allowed. The applicant is allowed to go on bail by furnishing a bond of ₹30,000 and one surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the
special judge, not Salmara.
Special judge, not Salmala, Obhayapuri. It is, however, made clear that the applicant shall not leave the jurisdiction of the special judge, not Salmala, Obhayapuri, without his prior permission, and shall render full cooperation with the investigation in this case as and when called for. First, a violation of the above condition may lead to cancellation of the bill. BS stands disposal.
Obliging.
Item 2.
May it please you, Lordship. Lordship, it's a 438 application. Prohibition of Child Marriage Act, my lord. My lord, FIR is at page 11.
Now, who are the applicants?
Applicant, my lord, petitioner number 1 is the alleged groom. Petitioner number 2 is his father. Petitioner number 3 is the mother of the alleged victim. And petitioner number 4 is the brother. However, my lord, in this case, no marriage was solemnized. Marriage was not solemnized. And in the FIR, it has been written that this victim was recovered from the house of the petitioner number 1. My lord, that is also not factually correct. The police it has to be established that the marriage did take place, and that too with a minor. Yes. So, my lord, in this case, my lord, two things, my lord. The marriage was also not solemnized. And this part is also
And
not
that too with a
factually correct.
minor, and the applicant had a direct role to play in the matter. A line to add quid. Yes.
So, my lord, this recovery of the victim from the house of the petitioner number 1, my lord, that is also not factually correct.
Hmm.
So, my lord, we're disputing this, the entire marriage.
Yes, you appear and record your statement. We'll give them anticipatory bail here. Heard Mr.
S.
Yun-
Nawaz.
Huh?
S. Nawaz, my lord.
S. Nawaz Learned Counsel for the applicants. Also heard Mr. D. Das Learned APP Assam appearing for this case. Apprehending arrest in connection with Abhayapuri PS case number 22/2023, registered under sections 9/10 of the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006. The 4 applicants have approached this court by filing this application under section 438 of the CRPC, seeking anticipatory bail. I have taken the FIR as well as the materials available in record. Call for the case diary fixing 13/3/2023, heard on the prayer of interim bail. Having regard to the facts and circumstances of the case, it is hereby provided that in the event of arrest, the applicants, namely so-and-so, 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 shall be allowed to go on bail on furnishing a bond of rupees 20,000 and 1 surety each of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority, subject to the further condition that all the 4 petitioners shall appear before the IO within 2 weeks from today for recording their statement. Let the matter be listed again on 13/3/2023.
Deeply obliged.
Yes.
Item 3.